Hey there, I'm Eliza with Ancestral Evolution, and today we're preserving more peaches. Yay! So today I'm going to show you how I freeze peaches for the winter. Now, freezing peaches has a couple advantages and disadvantages over other methods. Obviously, freezing is going to take up valuable freezer space. However, frozen peaches are going to be much better in recipes, like for instance peach crumble or something like that, than dehydrated peaches. And because no heat is applied to the actual peaches, they retain their flavor and their nutritional content a lot better than by other methods. For freezing peaches, it is not necessary to peel them, but I'll show you a quick and easy way to peel your peaches if you'd like to peel your peaches before freezing. All right, let's get to it.
To peel your peaches, first place them in boiling water for 30 seconds, followed by an ice bath for 1 minute. Then the peel comes off really nice and easy. For freezing, I chop my peaches into chunks, not super thin, and then spread them out on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. After about 4 hours, they'll be fully frozen, and you can put them in either a freezer gallon Ziploc or you can vacuum seal them. Try to get out as much of the air as possible. Then store in the freezer for up to 1 year.
Now that you know how to freeze peaches, you can be enjoying peach smoothies and peach crumble in December or January. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, be sure to push the like button and subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you next time.